Hello and welcome to today's class. Under the movement of the earth, let us see today about seasons. Seasons are caused by the effect of revolution of the earth around the sun. It is due to the tilting of the earth axis. The axis is tilted at an angle of 23.5 degree and it sometimes leans towards the sun and sometimes away from the sun. Because of this, different parts of the earth face the sun at different times of the year. This gives us seasons. The northern and the southern hemisphere get different amount of sunlight over the course of the year. When the North Pole is inclined towards the sun, the rays of the sun fall vertically over a larger area of the northern hemisphere and thus it experiences summer. The southern hemisphere is away from the rays of the sun and it experiences winter. When the South Pole faces the sun, the southern hemisphere experiences summer and it will be winter in the northern hemisphere. For example, when it is summer in India, it is winter in Australia. When we celebrate Christmas in India, it is winter, and in Australia, it is summer. Approximately on June 21st, the rays of the sun fall vertically over the Tropic of Cancer. There is a summer condition, and this condition is called summer solstice. A solstice is an astronomical event that happens twice each year when the sun's apparent position in the sky reaches its northernmost or southernmost extremes. And on this day, northern hemisphere has the longest day and the shortest night. Then as the earth gradually moves southwards away from this position towards the equator, the rays of the sun go on getting oblique. On September 22nd or 23rd, the rays of the sun fall vertically over equator. Therefore, on this date, the day and night are equal all over the world and the season is equal. And this position is called autumn equinox or autumnal equinox. Mostly on December 21st, the rays of the sun fall vertically over Tropic of Capricorn. The southern hemisphere has the longest day and shortest night. And at the same time, it is summer in the southern hemisphere but winter in northern hemisphere. This position is called winter solstice. Gradually, the sun moves northwards from the Tropic of Capricorn towards the equator. And on March 20th or 21st, the rays of the sun fall vertically over the equator again. The day and night are equal and the season is equal. And this position is called spring equinox or vernal equinox. This condition is similar to that of September 22nd or 23rd. Thus, we find that motions of the earth cause day and night as well as changes in the seasons. That's all for today. Thank you.